Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing a Glueless lace front wig. This wig was in my closet. Hopefully I can find the picture in the description of this wig. I was like, let me try this wig on. This wig is in its natural state. I washed the wig. So I didn't dye it. I didn't do anything. I usually dye it because you guys know I love black hair. So as you can see, this is like a loose wave. It's really, really pretty. It's human hair, 100%. It's 16 inches. I love it. I already cut the lace off the front, and I also cut the lace off the back. As you can see, I also have two combs side to side for the sides of your head, and I also have a comb in the back for the back of your head. And when I say glueless, it's glueless. I'm sorry, because I have this strap right here that once you put it on your head, the strap will hold it down. So I'm going to put the stocking cap on because I want my wig to like really be like snugged on my head. I have a mirror on the side, guys, so that's what I'm looking at. Fixed foundation and the number NC44 MAC. All right, let me see if I can scrape some from the sides. I done grabbed the wrong one. I just need to throw this in the trash already. So, and around the sides. So when I put this wig on, hopefully it's going to be a quick install because I'm not doing much to it. And I'm hoping I can get like a braid on the side. I'm going to show y'all a picture on how I want to try to get it. Because I'm going to have a part in the middle. All right, that should be it. So happy Vlogmas, happy holidays to all you guys. I hope everyone is well, and I hope everyone will have a great holiday. So I'm going to take this wig and throw it on. Put the strap to the back. Now y'all all know when you put a wig on, it looks crazy. Look, I look crazy. So it looks crazy when you first put it on. Let me pull it back some. So another thing, sorry guys. Another thing that I do, I take alcohol. I put a little alcohol on here. And I clean around my forehead, head area. Because I know it's glueless. I am going to put some glue around my head. If it starts sliding back, because I never really have good luck with glueless wigs for some reason. I don't know what it is. So I'm going to put this up, and so hopefully it stays. And then I'm going to pull this to the front. And like I said, I already took off the lace. So I did pluck a little bit in the middle here. And as you guys can see where the cap stops at right here. So I'm going to take my little bit of MAC makeup. And I'm going to get a little bit from the sides because I told y'all it's like empty. Put it in the middle of my part, so it can make it look a little more realistic. Oh, guys, I know what I forgot. I know what I forgot to get. So I'm going to stop right there. That makes it look a little more realistic. I'm going to take this down to the back. And a little disclaimer, I'm not a professional at all. I want it to be all thick. So hopefully that's cool. I don't like it to be real thick. All right, guys, hang on because I forgot something. All right. So I have some scissors. I'll bring that big, put that right there. So we're just gonna work with that. Up here. So what I'm going to do next, I forgot my scarf to lay my hair. And I'm not getting it. I'm not, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is part down here like this. Part that. Let me feel, okay. Just making sure I got it where I want it. Let me put a clip on here. It's crazy because I'm looking in the mirror and then I'm trying to look at y'all at the same time. So, got this. And I know a lot of people out there is not really doing baby hairs like that. But with this wig, y'all, it just seemed like I need something. Some wigs, you need something. I mean, you just need something. Like I said, I just don't want to look like I'm like lemon head. You know what I'm saying? I don't want it to look like I got a lemon head. All right, I'm just trying to make sure I don't grab. So what I'm gonna do is braid this part down. Y'all, hopefully it comes out like I want it because I'm nervous. I don't usually style my wigs. I usually just curl it and go on about my business. So this is something new. I'm trying to show off a little bit here. All right, y'all, so. All right, got that down. Hold it, let me do it like this. Turn it around. It's braid to the side, y'all. You know, something different, just something different. I'm gonna braid it all the way down. Oh, and I'm sorry, I did use my wax stick on the side. So for this, y'all see why I said it should be down. So what I'm going to do is pull some of this hair out. So I'm going to take these two straps and bring it back like this. I don't know, depends on how my curls come out. It depends on how my curls come out. So I got some curlers here. I been should have turned these on. Oh my God. All right. So I got the curl. Nope, I ain't gonna spray with it. I'm gonna use this. All right, y'all, I'm back. And y'all, as y'all can see, I took that braid out because this type of wig is not for that, girl. I was like, what am I doing? So I'm going to attempt to do some curls and see how that turned out. So, okay, this is a wig review. I don't know, because the way, like it is glueless or whatever and all that good stuff. The quality is good. No shedding, which I love. I didn't unpack this wig on here because, like I said, I blah 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 blah. I got this wig a long while ago. I just never used it, but I took it out the pack and I don't know what I did with it. So I don't know what I did with the pack. And yeah, so the braid didn't look right. Anyway, so this is the wig. Like I said, I took the braids out. I'm going to pull it up in like a little top ponytail. I like the wig. The hair is like really, really pretty. It don't shed a lot, which I love. But it seems like I'm just having trouble with like styling it. I don't know. But comment down below and let me know how you guys like the hair. The hair is beautiful though. It's really, really pretty. So this is definitely the end result. 1 out of 10. I'll give this wig like a 7. A 7. Comment down below, let me know if you guys like it. Rate the wig, and how would you style it? Because you can also take it down, curl it all up, and it can be beautiful. Put some layers in it and all that. That will be really, really pretty. Not a bad wig at all. This is the wig, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining my family. And please, if you're new here, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank y'all so much for watching my video all the way through. Happy Vlogmas, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.